Okay, welcome back to the 10-foot foam fishing kayak. What I want to do is, I guess I could try and carry this. No, I'm just going to put it down. I'm going to shake the camera real bad. Draw some lines for me to go by. Let's see. Probably move it out to about 4 right here. That's 3, and move it to about 2 right here. Move it off. Can't draw as straight as I used to. Alright, let's get going with this one. That's how I used to draw in grade school. And bring it to maybe like this. So bring it in like here like that. Sometimes I can draw a radius, sometimes I cannot. Let's see. Maybe a triangle. Yep, draw like a 4th grader. Oh wait, probably not that well. That might be bragging a little bit. I've seen 4th graders draw and they're very good. Lost my concentration. All right, so let's shape it right quick. Do a little bit of shaping, and I just like to take a handsaw and let's see. I'll follow along right about here. And I'll try to cut from right here to maybe right here. It won't be too aggressive. Yeah, maybe I'll come to that second one there. This could be a long endeavor here. Now, I'll just get what I can get, and I'll probably sand that part. I don't believe I can cut all that at one time. to pretty much from here to there. I'll come back and chew it up more with the saw. If you try to take off too much at one time, you cut outside the line. I should put me a sandbag on here so I don't have to wrestle with it. Okay, so once you get that, you can come back and true it up a little bit and take some 80 grit and start grinding on that. Now remember, I got a 4-inch thick floor, so I could bring that curve all the way to here. And then we have a lot of thickness here. I could come out to this area right here and then have a nice, a nice little curve in the front for the bow. But just keep going that way, and then grab you maybe some 80 grit sandpaper and wrap it around a long board. Your paper's 11 or 12 inches long. Wrap it around that board, and that'll give you a nice straight edge. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all this, rough cut all this. In our next video, I'll do the sanding, and I think I'll do it on time lapse so you can kind of get a quickie idea of it. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button and like button, leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching.